Hello everyone. Today I'm going to be making a very easy and simple vermicelli dish which is called egg vermicelli or vermicelli biryani. If you wish to watch this recipe in Tamil, click the above link. I'm going to be using my instant pot for this, and switch on your instant pot in a saute mode, and once it is hot, add a teaspoon of oil and add about 2 cups of vermicelli. I'm using a pre-roasted one. If you have an unroasted, roast it until it is nice and golden color. Remove it from the pan and add about 2 tablespoons of oil along with whole garam masala and saute for a minute. And now I'm adding 1 large onion chopped. After sauteing for a minute, I'm adding about 3 large green chillies just slit in the middle. Once the onions are translucent, add in your ginger garlic and saute until the raw smell leaves. Next, I'm going to be adding 2 large tomatoes chopped. After sauteing for a minute, I'm going to add a handful of mint leaves. Next, I'm going to add my spices, which are 1 tablespoon chilli powder, 1 tablespoon coriander, a teaspoon of garam masala and turmeric. Next will be the vegetables. These are optional. You can add if you wish or you can omit this. Give it a nice mix. Add in enough salt to taste, and I'm going to add about 1.5 cup of water for every cup of vermicelli. Deglaze the pot or else you'll get a burn notification later. Now add in the vermicelli into the pot and give it a nice mix. Check for the salt at this stage and add if extra is needed. Close the lid of the instant pot and I'm going to pressure cook for 1 minute exactly. After the 1 minute is completed, I'm going to quick release the pressure. Once the pin drops, you can open your instant pot, and I'm going to break in 5 eggs today. Without mixing the vermicelli, just add the eggs on the top and cover it with a lid, and I'm going to use the steam option here for 2 minutes. This will just partially cook the eggs. Now give it a gentle mix so that the eggs get combined and it will cook in the heat of the vermicelli. At last, I am going to add half a cup of coriander leaves. This will give a beautiful flavor. Give it a gentle mix. And that's it. It's done. To go along with this, I'm going to be making a very simple raita, which is 1 large onion sliced thinly, along with 1 small tomato chopped finely, and 2 green chilies, and a handful of coriander leaves, along with half a teaspoon of cumin powder and half a teaspoon of crushed pepper and salt to taste. I'm going to add about 1.5 cup of yogurt and give it a nice mix and store it in the refrigerator. That's it. Your easy and tasty egg vermicelli is ready to be served. Serve it with raita and enjoy.